can you estimate sums? Think about this question during the lesson. Students are collecting dog food to give to an animal shelter. Estimate how many pounds were collected in weeks 3 and 4.
There is more than one way to find an estimate.
One way to estimate a sum is to round each addend. If you round each number in the table to the nearest hundred, what do you get? Rounded to the nearest hundred, the pounds of dog food in the table are 200, 300, 200, 300, and 300. Use these rounded numbers to estimate the sum of the pounds collected in weeks 3 and 4. 237 and 5/10 is about 200, and 345 and 1/10 is about 300. So, 237 and 5/10 plus 345 and 1/10 is about 500. The students collected about 500 pounds of dog food in weeks 3 and 4. Will the actual sum be greater or less than the estimate of 500 pounds? Select your answer. The actual sum will be greater than 500 because both rounded numbers are less than the actual numbers. Another way to estimate sums is to substitute compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are easy to add. Two compatible numbers for 237 and 5/10 and 345 and 1/10 are 250 and 350. So 237 and 5/10 plus 345 and 1/10 is about 600. The students collected about 600 pounds of dog food in weeks 3 and 4. How does using compatible numbers instead of rounding change the estimate in this example? In this example, using compatible numbers results in an estimate that is closer to the actual sum, because the compatible numbers are closer than the rounded numbers to the actual numbers. Now you know how to estimate sums.